Good day, sir. I am Jamda Nicole Manalo from BSMT. I am doing this video to discuss my CO2 assessment. For our task 1, we have, based on the given stowage plan, check the cargo tank to be loaded for ALCO and AMCO, and determine the line grouping which each tank belong using empty crystal college piping diagram. So in our task 1, we have a cargo tank number for ALCO, line group number, cargo tank number for AMCO, and also line group number for AMCO. For our cargo tank number for ALCO, we have 2C, 2C, which is line group number number 2. In our 5C, we have line group number 3. 1PS, we have line group number 2. We have 4PS, we have line group number 2. For our slope, we have line group number 1. For our cargo tank number for AMCO, we have 1C, line group number 3. We have 3C, line group number 3. Number 1 is 1C, rather. For number 3C, we have number 3. 4C, line group number 1. 2PS, we have line group number 3. 3PS, we have line number 1. For 5BS, we have line number 3, and slope S, we have line group number 1. For our task 2, based on above task 1, select the two most suitable manifold line number to be connected for loading AMCO and ALCO using empty crystal cargo piping. So we have our ALCO, we have manifold number, that's ALCO manifold number 1 and number 2. For our AMCO, we have manifold number 1 and number 3. So this is our task number 3, which is loading AMCO. For loading AMCO, our manifold number to be used is manifold number 1 and 3. We are going to pass crossover lines to the deck line and drop lines and into the bottom lines to the branch lines done into the cargo tank. And for our task 4, we have to discharging ALCO. So from the tank, we can see that we were going to pass the branch line to the bottom lines into the sanction lines and into the COP, and we need also to be passing delivery lines going to the riser lines and the deck lines. So we are going to pass the cross over lines into manifold line. So in our task number 5, where we are given the task based on your pipeline plan. In task number 3, name the pipelines or bulbs used in order from manifold connection to the cargo tank. So our pipelines or bulbs is manifold line or bulbs, deck lines, drop lines or bulbs, bottom lines, branch lines, tank bulbs, bell mouth pipe. So in our task 6, based on your pipeline plan, in task 4, name the pipeline pipelines, bulbs, and use in order from cargo tank, pump room, manifold. So, for our task number 6, we have tank, bell mouth, tank valve, branch pipe lines, bulkhead valves, suction lines, suction valves, strainer, COP number 1 and 2, and number 3, non-return valves, delivery lines, deck lines, master deck valves, crossover lines or bulbs, manifold lines, and bulbs or bulbs. That's all, sir.